Hey everyone, it's Danielle and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a package to share with you that I got in the mail this week. I actually got quite a few packages in the mail this week, so it kind of felt like Christmas. A lot of it was free or like really cheap, so I thought I would come on here and share it with you. This is baby related, so if you're not interested, then thanks for stopping by, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. This week I received the trial that I ordered from Parasol company. For those of you who aren't familiar with this brand, it is a diaper company, but they also sell like feminine care products. It's new to me. I was just like searching like free like diaper trials and stuff like that. Like I had mentioned in my Target baby registry bag. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post that link down in the description box below. I mentioned that Honest does like a trial, and in that video I mentioned that it wasn't worth it to me because you only got like a couple diapers and then like a few wipes. They have since changed it though, so I'm kind of debating trying it. I'm not really sure. It still doesn't seem like that great of a deal to me, but you get a pack of diapers, you get a pack of wipes, and then like little samples of a few of their other products like bath products for babies, and then I think laundry detergent as well, and it's $19.99 or $19.95, and I believe shipping is free. But after looking at the prices of the diapers and the wipes, I feel like that price is really just what those products are actually worth. So I don't know if it's necessarily worth it to try their trial because it doesn't seem like that great of a deal. But I don't know, we'll see. If they have like a promotion going on, maybe I will, because Parasol does have a promotion going on, and I thought this was a really good deal. So their trial kit is normally $14. Right now, if you use the code 50KIT, you can actually get it for half off. So only $7. Shipping is free. And they give you quite a few things, so I'm going to show you guys what came in mine. You can choose between their essential diaper kit or essential diaper pants kit, and I believe the diaper pants are kind of like pull-ups, so for like bigger babies, when they're older, I mean. So the first thing that I got, I did go with the essential diaper kit. They let you choose the size of diaper that you want. I wanted to purchase the size 1 diapers, but they were out of it, so that was kind of a bummer. I ended up going with size 2. I figure I can still use it, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I am planning on cloth diapering, but I still want diapers like for when we go out and stuff like that, so I don't have to worry about, there's a hair on my lip. I don't have to worry about bringing home a dirty cloth diaper, having to like carry that around with me. I think that disposable will probably be better, and also maybe at night or something like that. We'll see. So I'll probably use a few disposable diapers, but mainly cloth, hopefully. So anyway, you get to choose a pack of diapers in the size that you want. So I chose the size 2. For the size 2, there are 18 in here. And let's open this up. They're advertising themselves to be the world's softest diaper, and I've heard really good things about this diaper. It says, we keep it 100, you asked for it, we made it. They're thinner, softer, more fit, and even more absorbent. It says wetness dries in seconds, so your not so little kiddos can tackle the oh so big world. Sleep through the night again with our Limitless Sky collection. So they are sustainable, wood pulp, hypoallergenic, fragrance free, and latex free. So it looks like there are 2 different prints in here. They're really cute. I think they're really nice, just simple prints, unisex. This one has like palm leaves on it. I think that's super cute. It's kind of hard to see, but I think that's really cute. And then this one has like little birds on it. I think that's adorable as well. And these are quite soft. They're very soft. And I don't have experience with diapers. This is my first baby, so I don't know. I can't review this for you until the baby actually gets here. But if you guys have tried this, leave me a note in the comments below and let me know. But it does have like a nice elastic back to it. It feels really nice. They don't smell weird, at least not to me. I actually have a few of the other like white or diaper samples that I got from the Target registry bag, so let's compare it to the Honest one. So this is an Honest diaper, and this is a Parasol company diaper, and I don't know if you can hear this. This is a lot softer. I mean, these aren't like super bad. They're not horrible. Again, I've heard great things about the Honest company diapers, but these are like really soft. I can't compare the sizes because this is size 2 and this is size 1, but these are very soft. So let's try it with a Pampers diaper. Here's an Up and Up diaper. I mean, this one's pretty soft and flexible too, I guess, but all of the other diapers almost have kind of like a slight plasticky feel to the outside, whereas these just feel really soft and feel like just fabric. So pretty cool. We'll see. Hopefully they work out. I've heard, like I said, great things about this. All right, and you also get some wipes, which I think is great. And these are, I believe this is like their travel size wipe, but you get the Parasol Woke, which I honestly don't remember which ones these are. Okay, this is the thick one. So this says the thickest wipes ever made. And again, I've heard great things about these particular wipes being like really, really sturdy, and you get 20 of them. And then you also get a pack of their Parasol Wind wipes. It says, let the wind carry you. There's also 20 in here. And these ones, it says the most luxurious wipes ever. I believe these are not as thick as these ones, but they have the same ingredients. I think the main difference is just the thickness of the wipe. If you were to purchase these on their website, I think you get less of these for the price, and then you get more wipes with the Wind one because they're not as thick. But I can just feel the package. They're both 20, and this one is definitely thicker. I don't even know if you guys can tell. And looking at it, it doesn't look that different, but feeling it, this feels like it's thicker. And what's really cool is that they don't just send you like baby samples. You actually get a sample of their feminine care products, which I think is really cool. You get 2 of their regular pads, and then 2 of their overnight pads. So I'll definitely try those out. It says, like, super soft, super breathable, chlorine-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, latex-free, and deodorant-free. And then you also get a little pack of their, I believe this is actually full size. I think this is just the size that they naturally come in, but there's 10 wipes in here, and these are their Obsessed wipes. And these are like their feminine care wipes, and I believe they are flushable as well. So that's pretty cool. So that's what came in the trial. Again, this was just $7 free shipping, so I thought it was a good deal, a good way to try it out. You get a full pack of their diapers in the size of your choice. So the diaper count's going to vary depending on what size you get. You get 2 packs of their baby wipes, both 20 count. You get the 10 count feminine wipes and 2 samples of each of their pads. So yeah, I thought that was a great deal. The only thing is that when you do sign up for the trial, they automatically sign you up for their subscription. So you can actually, I waited for mine to ship, and then I went into the account page, and then I just canceled the subscription. That's not to say I might not purchase them in the future, but obviously my baby's not going to be here till August. I don't need like a subscription of diapers coming in. So I'm going to try these first, see how they work, and then possibly purchase them in the future. Let me know if you guys have ever tried Parasol Company diapers and what your thoughts and experiences have been. I will post the link to their website down in the description box below, as well as that coupon code if you guys want to take advantage of it. I believe on their website it says that 50% off their trial kit is good until the end of May. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos on free baby things, free trials, or like cheap, affordable trials like this. And thank you so much for your comments and for liking the video. Really helps out a lot. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.